In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Google Calendar to Slack for meetings and scheduling. In this tutorial, you will learn how to link your Google Calendar account with Slack directly from the Slack Workspace, so you can access calendar features and start setting up meetings. Begin by accessing your Slack Workspace. Once you are inside Slack, move to the left side control panel and locate the More tab. Click on More to expand the additional menu options. From the list that appears, select Tools to continue. Inside the Tools section, look for the Apps option and click on it. This will open the Slack app directory, where you can browse and install integrations for your workspace. Once the Apps section loads, look for Google Calendar under the Recommended Apps section. If Google Calendar does not appear in the recommended list, use the search bar to search for Google Calendar manually. After locating the Google Calendar app, click the Install button to begin the setup process. A new window will then appear asking you to continue connecting the app with Slack. In the new window, click on Add to Slack to proceed. Slack will then begin the verification process for your Google account. Follow the prompts on the screen to verify your email and complete the authorization process. Once the verification is completed successfully, the Google Calendar app will be connected to your Slack workspace. After the setup is complete, return to the Slack Home section. Under the Apps area in the left side panel, you will now see Google Calendar listed as one of your connected apps. From there, you can open the Google Calendar integration and begin setting up meetings, checking schedules, and managing calendar-related activity directly inside Slack.